And in this video we'll wrap up with pipe tags. So they're going to be very similar to duct tags. I'll scroll down to the family so you can see the quantity of types. So all these tags work for new and existing elements. You don't have to switch between one or the other. Further on in this chapter you'll see how we update the tag for existing elements. So you can see we can tag a gas load, area for storm propagation, fixture units, flow, slope, and then tags with hard-coded up and down. Let's take a look at some of that. So let's go to an underfloor plumbing plan. So first off is the invert tag. So I'm going to place a tag on this element, and let's change the type to invert. And this is what I like to show at all of my services. An invert tag. It's a dynamic piece of information that comes from the pipe itself. So it's accurate information. So let's place another one of these over here. So it looks like we got a couple there. We just don't have this one on the cold water service, which typically isn't tagged for invert. But for the sake of the demo, it's tagged. All right, so this is the most common tag, size and system. If we needed to, we could show fixture units. So you could use those tags however you need to. You know, a lot of those will come more into play in riser diagrams. The main thing I wanted to show you guys is we have comments built into all of these tags. So like here's a good example. We've got two ways to tag this vent pipe. I'm going to CS that tag. If you guys didn't know, you can select a nearby tag and hit CS, create similar, and now that becomes the new default. So we can, I'm going to put one tag on there, and I'm going to tag it again. So we can use the hard-coded up and down labels like this. The benefit to these tags is in the world of fine detail piping, which we may be moving to here shortly, you're not going to see your symbols on your fittings. So having tags that indicate up and down are going to be more and more important. Now this tag is just size and system, however we've got comments built into it. So just on the fly you can type in any comments you want. There you go. And I guess this pipe should be up, not down. So that's the comments in the tags. We can also tag slope. So 1/8 inch per foot slope on that 4-inch sanitary main. That's not always tagged information. However, on storm riser diagrams, it's very beneficial to tag the slope based upon how you're sizing the pipe. And then we've got left and right justified comments. So if you had a lot of information you needed to say, you could choose left justified here. And you could start typing away to your heart's content. And all of your information will be aligned to the left side or to the right side based upon what you need. So you can move this meter to that side. So that is the pipe tags in the Mechanical Productivity Pack.